Guys, today I'm going to be talking about perception. A lot of people think that basically reaching these certain numbers are impossible. Like they think that basically reaching this 10,000 a month is impossible. That if you reach this 10,000 a month, you're like, living your best life. You can do everything that you want. However, that's really not the case, right? So, for example, right now I'm here sat in this Lamborghini of my friends and we're here in Dubai. And people are just like, let's say if you make 10K a month, you can't buy this stuff. You can't even rent this stuff. I mean, maybe you can rent it for a day or two, but that's not how it works. And people think this is like some end goal, but it's really not. So this is the reason why you should have this perception of actually, being around these people who make way more than you. And then you can understand, okay, this 10K a month ain't nothing. You should be focusing on 100, 200, 300K a month. And this is where basically your goal should be. Because trust me, reaching this 10,000 a month is very, very simple. It's not easy. I'm not saying it's easy. It takes some time, it takes some hard work, but however, it's really, really simple. You have one system, you follow the system for a couple of months, you reach 10,000 a month. It's really, really simple. However, then basically, scaling that is even easier. I would say to maybe 15,000 a month. 50,000, is that mark. And after that, you basically need to do new stuff. You need to implement a whole new system where you want to scale up to these 6 figures a month. However, you should be understanding that your goal shouldn't be this 10,000 a month. Your goal should be having some way, way bigger numbers, of course, if you want to actually make money online. Just so you know, yes, if your goal is to reach this 10,000 a month and you don't want more, fine, that's completely fine. But then you need to understand, my friend, you won't be able to do cool stuff like this. You won't be able to travel the world and do all this amazing stuff. 10,000 a month in today's world is standard. You should be doing that literally every single month. So trust me, 10K a month isn't really something that you should be proud of. It's a standard. It's what everyone should be doing, okay? Now I'm looking basically to scale to these 6 figures a month, which is my goal for the next year. I'm going to giving you exact step-by-step blueprint is going to help you out to book more appointments, or in translation, my exact basically system for booking appointments that I call DM Conquest system. So when it comes to DM Conquest system, I basically use very, very simple strategy. So mainly me and my team basically for booking appointments, we mainly use the LinkedIn platform. Because over there, first of all, you can find easy connections. You can literally just search your ideal client. You can find a connection. You can send them connection. They will accept your connection, and you can simply just send them a message. Those people will see your message. It's not like on Instagram that you send messages, they don't see it. No, they will see your message. So when basically they accept your connection, you can't pitch like this, because people know what you want to pitch. People know what you want to sell. It can be boring, so you should be different. You should be doing something new. So what I do instead is, first of all, even ask, is it okay if I pitch? Let me give you a quick example. So I film a quick video, like just with my phone, and be like, hey John, hope you're doing well. I just have a quick question for you. Do you maybe want to know how to get more coaching clients? If yes, just simply drop me a thumbs up and I'll give you more information. That's it. They'll give me a thumbs up and I send them a quick VSL, basically explain exactly how my process works step by step, how I help my clients in the past, how I can help them out, and what are the next steps. And the next steps are simply to book a call. So I said, like, John, if you like this video, if you think that I can help you out, just simply drop me another thumbs up and I book a quick appointment with you. That's pretty much about it. They send me another thumbs up, I send them the quick calendar link, they book a call, that's it. We have them on calendar. I mean, in short, this is how I book appointments, literally. Of course, there is some bit more, in detail processes and everything, but this is what you can right now start using to start getting more clients literally today. After watching this video, you can drop, I don't know wherever you watch it, on laptop, on your phone, but you can literally just go pick up your phone, film that video and send it to one person on LinkedIn, and I guarantee you, out of 100 of them that you send, literally maybe 20, 30 of them are going to book a call, literally. Now, when they book a call, they need to basically pre-warm them up for a call. So what they do is basically send 2 videos, okay? One video is going to be like a quick VSL, another one, but there I'm going to be talking a bit more about the system in basically details, so it's going to be around half an hour. Another video is just simply to give them as much as testimonials, case studies as possible. So you put all of my past clients in that one video where I basically talk about their great success and how I can help them out to do the same. After that, we have the call, and then it's a completely new thing on how to actually close the deal. But in short, this is how you book appointments. This will help me out to actually book around 5 to 10 calls every single day. And I know it can also help you out, because I helped over 120 people to do absolutely the same in the coaching space. And I help them out to cross this 20,000 monthly recurring revenue mark. So if you maybe have any questions, please feel free to drop down in the comments, because I'm going to reply to every single one of you personally. And if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give me a like, subscribe for more valuable content like this, and see you next one. Ciao.